Hello guys, and welcome to Teach Me. Today we're going to determine the current flow through each resistor using Kirchhoff's law. So the first thing you should do is to label the current flow and also the polarity. So without any waste of time, let's just do it now. So the polarity is that from here, as you can see, this is the gateway. So this is negative and this is positive. Side is also positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and the current flow goes this direction. This is going to be our I0, and this is going to be our I1, and this is going to be our I2. So since now we are done labeling our current and our polarity, so let's just solve it. So applying KVL on loop 1, this is our loop 1. So we start from here, so we can see that our voltage source start from low to high, from negative to positive. So it's going to take a positive sign, so we're just going to write 1,5, and then goes this direction to this resistor. As you can see, this resistor, its voltage start from positive to negative, so therefore it takes a negative sign. This is I1, remember that, equals to 0. And then since we have only this, we can just find I1, so therefore 100, I1 equals to 1,5. You can just divide this by 100, divide this by 100, and I1 equals to 0,015. You can also leave this into milliampere. This is ampere. You can just leave this into milliampere, equals to 1. This is so yes, this is 5 milliampere. And then we go to loop 2, applying KVL on loop 2. Loop 2, this is our loop 2. So we start from the voltage source. So our voltage source start from positive to negative, so therefore it takes a negative sign. So it's going to be a -9, and our resistor, its voltage start from positive to negative, so therefore it takes a negative sign also. And it goes with I2. As you can see from this side, the current flow is I2. And then we go for on this resistor, you can see that its voltage start from negative to positive, so therefore it takes a positive sign. And I1 equals to 0. Since we already know I1, you can just substitute it. And you can just add this and this. They're gonna give you A2 equals to 0, and then you can just solve this. They're going to give you just minus 0,0375. You can just take this to milliampere. This is ampere. If you take this to milliampere, it's going to give you minus 37,5 milliampere. And then I0, to find I0, you can just apply KCL. So let's just write it. Applying KCL, you can see that our I0 is entering the junction, and I2 and I1 they are leaving the junction. So therefore our formula is going to be I0 equals to I1 plus I2. And since we already know I1 and I2, you can just substitute and find our I0. So you can just say I1 is 0,015 plus negative 0,0375, and our I0 equals to minus 22, sorry about that, this is minus 0,0225 ampere, and you can just take this to milliamperes, just gonna give you minus 22,5 milliampere. Thank you guys. As you can see, from now we can just if you don't understand anything, you can just leave your question on a comment, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.